reading people's testimonies gave me the encouragement that I could come and that God would heal me. I mean, God loves us all, and what He did for me is, I mean, He does the same for others too. My name is Myra, and I am from Indiana. I've had allergies my whole life, since I was a baby, but they seem to be, it's just like they kept becoming more and more and more. The multiple chemical sensitivities started probably after the birth of my first son. They started getting worse. It made life really hard. I mean, I used to do things like wash my laundry and soak it in vinegar and different things to get the smells and stuff out of it. I was becoming isolated more and more, because if a friend came over and they had a scent on them, that would make me sick for a while. And when my kids were young, then I couldn't really take care of them, as you know, in the full way that I wanted to. So it just added all this extra work in my life that, you know, life's hard enough. It's got enough stuff in it without all of the things I had to do to feel well and to function. And over the years, those things changed on what I had to do. And eating out. I was also on a low FODMAP diet, because I was also healed of IBS. And if I didn't follow that low FODMAP diet, I would have intense abdominal pain. And so to eat anywhere, it was like some of the FODMAP foods that bothered me were garlic and onions. So if I went out to eat, and if they would cook for me, you really ended up, it didn't matter what you ordered, it all tasted the same, because it was plain and steamed or whatever. Everything just was plain and pretty boring. So I can now eat and enjoy great food. He healed me. He healed me of all kinds of allergies, of food sensitivities, of multiple chemical sensitivities, of environmental illness, it's sometimes called, of inhalant allergies and mold problems, chronic Lyme, and more. I remember the first trip I went on after being at Being Health and being healed. And I remember I just kept saying to my husband, this is the best trip ever. What are we doing different? What has made this trip so good? And then by the end of the trip, I'd realized what made the trip so great was me. I wasn't fearful of everything. When I did For My Life, I did it the first time online. And so there were several of them that I just had to go back and listen to again and again through tears, that were just huge blessings. For me, when I came for the walkout workshop in person the first time, was when it was after that it was like, it really all came, I mean, just so much healing. It was totally instrumental. But on my way, as I was driving home from the walkout workshop that I came to, they were putting down new asphalt, and it was very early in the morning, and there was new asphalt. So the two things that would have gotten me would have been the new asphalt and my brain being foggy. But the other part was, it was such a big area they were doing that they kind of detoured me, and I'm like, that would have messed me up as far as getting lost. But I just started laughing, because I knew that I knew that I knew that I wasn't reacting and that I was fine. I would say come to Be in Health, read their materials, study. Reading people's testimonies gave me the encouragement that I could come and that God would heal me. I mean, God loves us all, and what He did for me is, I mean, He does the same for others too. I will say I had tried everything. I mean, I think you would be hard-pressed to come up with a modality or a type of treatment, a type of diet that I hadn't tried. And I will say that some of them were actually helpful as Band-Aids, but that is nothing compared to being free and to not having to do all of those things. At one point, when I came here, I had been doing pretty well, but it would take, I was truly spending, I don't think I'm exaggerating with say 4 hours a day doing the things I needed to do to function. So it's like the things that they gave me to help were just stealing my life too. So I would say if you don't think you can come to Georgia yet, read as many books as you can, listen to the books. Some of them are online. There's all kinds of YouTube testimonies, but they have weekends where you can come that are throughout the United States, and you can come and they're free, and they're for a Friday evening and a Saturday. Come to one of those. I went to something like that for a few hours in our state, and it gave me the confidence, like, okay, I can do this, I can go.